Hi, do you want to become a business analyst? Then you are at the right place. Here we are going to teach you how to become a successful business analyst with a 100% practical approach, real-time project, expert level process, and complete practical approach on every aspect of business analyst job profile. Let's get started. Let's understand what exactly we need to learn to become a true certified business analyst. Here we go. And before that, before we proceed to learn what we need to do in our training process to become a true business analyst, firstly let's understand our job roles and responsibilities. Customer requirement analysis, organizational data analysis, technical implementations. If you observe carefully, a customer gives you a requirement. We need to understand the requirement carefully. Understand the workflow, the data flow, the business implementation logic, and then arrive at project planning and agile activities using technical implementation concepts. And at the same time, we cannot leave the business goals, the budget, the revenue, etc. Everything paid together, we have the business analyst job role. The success of a business, the success of a project, the satisfaction of a client purely depends on the business analyst job role. The business analyst is the backbone for any IT project, trust me. In our training classes, we are going to teach you technically every aspect. We are going to make you feel the real business analyst right from day one for more involvement in the course and maximum benefit from our training classes. In our sessions, we are going to have good number of concepts paired into 7 different modules. Module number 1, SQL, 2 Power BI, 3 Python, 4 Advanced Excel, 5 Requirement and Workflow, 6 Agile and BRD. Module 7 is all about project work, resume and one-to-one placement guidance. Let's get started. Let's understand what exactly we need to learn to become a business analyst in our 3.5 to 4 months training program with daily assignments, weekly mock interviews, with good amount of projects. There are 2 real-time projects for your course. There are 2 projects for your resume. With 100% job-oriented training classes without any compromise. Let's get started what we need to learn. In Module 1 SQL, we are going to start with data, fundamentals, installations, SQL basic activities. We need to learn about operators, Excel import, security concepts, constraints, indexes, joins and audit concepts, views, row-level security, procedures, functions. We need to learn about triggers and automations, transactions, cursors and fetch activities. We need to learn about CTE, tuning concepts, relations, self-joins, exist operators. Remote joins, we are going to learn subqueries and also group by query concepts. We are going to learn it carefully. In Module 2, we learn about introduction to installation of Power BI, report design and visual interactions, grouping, hierarchies, slicer, hierarchies with drill down concepts, filters, drill through, bookmarks, SQL database and big data access, visualizations, Power Query concepts. There are 50 plus examples on Power Query in our classes. 50 plus examples on Power BI Cloud and 50 plus examples on DAX, DAX, data analysis expression concepts. At the same time, the projects we provide you, we are pretty sure to secure you a good job in par with the IT industry market trends and demands. Module 3 is all about Python. It is optional but recommended to have some hands-on on Python concepts as well, part of our classes. However, Module 4, Advanced Excel, very important. We'll be learning about basics of advanced Excel functions, macros, advanced techniques, Excel 365, OneDrive implementations, workbooks, and lot of logical technical functions and pivot tables, including worksheets and transformations. Module 5, very important BRD documents, project planning, project implementations, and also managing assets, project planning with customer requirement analysis and lot more activities. Module 6 is about Agile and BRD concepts which are more into business flow, project flow, revenue, budgeting, metrics, analysis, and lot more experimentation concepts. Module 7 is a final part, end-to-end project. This project will be helping you a lot for your resume. What more you are waiting for? We have everything to make you a true business analyst. Reach us today and let's learn more about our program. Thank you so much and see you soon in our actual training classes. Bye bye. Wish you good luck. Thank you so much.